Today is oil change day on my 3.6 liter GM V6 engine, and there is a technical service bulletin to notify you about that I was made aware of when I went to purchase the parts from the dealership, and it applies to any 3.6 liter with one of these cartridge type oil filter setups. And the technical service bulletin was hanging in the parts department, and it applies again to any 3.6 liter engine with over 50,000 miles. They want their technicians to go ahead and replace the O-ring seal around the housing. Here's the part number and how much it costs, and here's another shot of the part number on the bag itself, and this is what the seal looks like. The replacement seal is blue so that they know you have replaced it, and the original seal is black. This is my oil filter housing. Two things to note about this housing: the nut on the top of it is 15/16, half-inch drive, and the torque when you're putting it back together is only 25 Newton meters, which I'm not exactly sure how many foot-pounds that is, but I know that it's a very light torque, and you don't have to crush that thing. So when you're going to go ahead and do an oil change, it's now recommended to replace this O-ring seal, which is not included with the oil filter cartridge itself. And as a master technician, I'd like to recommend that you coat that new seal with a petroleum jelly or Vaseline type product, and that's something that us diesel mechanics have done for years on these filter housings. And anybody who has done these full synthetic oil changes know that the parts are expensive. It's probably about $40 just in the oil, and then another $7 for the filter. And now we're going to have to purchase an O-ring seal because General Motors does not throw that in with the oil filter cartridge. So go ahead and tell your friends or anybody you know with a 3.6 liter. This is a very popular engine. It comes in the Camaros, pretty much across all product lines, but not all of them have the filter cartridge. Hope this video was helpful, and please give me a thumbs up and share it with friends. Thank you.